Welcome to the Rio De Janeiro of the Philippines! The Rio De Janeiro of the Philippines. Katuan naton yan na. Kitaon naton kung ano itsura dito ay baw.
The Sacred Heart of Jesus Shrine is located on the shores of Tolosa, Leyte. Today will be the first time that we climb to the top and take a look at the view. It's overcast and about to rain, so the perfect day to do it.
Ari ako yana ha ubos han Mount Baluarte, Tolosa. Dito taas may dausang tourist spot. Nakatuan naton yana. Tara na. Napaka-steep to. Ano ito?
First station.
Wala man nakabutang dinhi kung ano ini. Bagan si Jesus Cristo ng iya mga apostoles. Ano?
But it didn't stop there. All the way up the hill they had scenes from the life of Christ.
Wala tao. Ano ba ito?
Nearer to thee, e'en though it be across the...
Wala yung nahagdanan. Looks like no one's been up here in a long time.
There let the steps unto heaven. All that
Hamoy na ito. Nakikita ako. Nakikita ka, Shanta?
Yeah.
Harani na kita.
Still all my song shall be nearer, my God, to thee. Nearer, my God.
Ay mo sa Indoron Leyte. As in, grabe. Alright, let's go check out that Jesus statue. Wow, kinanglan kami magsakahin ladder. Makaradlok kining lugar. Like an old abandoned Catholic cathedral or something. Alright, Shanta, kaya mo ba?
Yeah. Ikaw, kaya mo?
Kaya. Wala, makaradlok. Can't believe you gotta climb a ladder to go see the Jesus statue. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, grabe.
The view from the top is amazing. I even jumped the balcony and sat on the edge to get a better look at it. Dangerous? What could be more dangerous than climbing that ladder?
Hala. Adi nakita ha igbaw han bukid. Grabe mo sa Indoro and pananawan as in. Tapos tamo ini ang Jesus Christ statue. Kadako.
Leaving the sky, sun, moon, and stars forgot. Augusta, per Augusta, si chi tu la